What is really good, guys? Dallas here with the video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're back from my subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching this video. It's been a long time, but I'm back. I moved. I know I had to keep you guys updated on what's going on, but today we're talking about stall mats. If you guys remember my old gym, I had those little pull-apart mats. I had them for over 3 years. I just gave them to a friend. I was tired of doing it, and these stall mats are so heavy, so I'm going to install them well, not install them, but put them in the gym today. And I got some more stuff coming up for y'all, so stay tuned. So, I have 3 stall mats. I had them breathing outside because it took such a long time for the rubber smell to get out. And I have a few of them more right here. So we're gonna be using half the garage. And all I needed was 6. 3 going down and 3 going down. So watch what I do with this. They're like 70 something pounds per mat. And they're pretty thick. I think they're about like a 1/2 inch thick, but yeah, I'm literally gonna break a sweat just trying to move these. But before I move this, you see like all my medals and stuff that I had, I'm gonna like put like flags and all this crazy stuff. It's gonna be looking good. But before I move these over, I have to actually obviously take all this stuff and move it out so I can put that in there. So this is probably day 3. I picked them up on Monday. It was like a whole ordeal because I have like a SUV car, and when I went to Tractor Supply Company, they're like, listen, you might as well just rent a truck because you're not gonna be able to fit all these mats all at once. So I took her advice, and the thing that I noticed the most was the smell. It stunk so bad. Like, I'm not even trying to exaggerate. It was pungent. It stung the nostrils. But I literally just let it air out. I let the sun just beat on it. I live in Florida, so thank God that the sun was hot enough for it to really, really help. So it doesn't smell like that. I've heard horror stories about how, you know, you'll put it in the garage and like the smell starts to seep inside the house and it takes forever for this. So I did not want to deal with that at all. All right, everything is cleared out and all the stuff is in the driveway. So now you see the sweat out, and I'm sweating, and I didn't even move the mats yet. I have like 4 mats right here, so it's gonna be a little bit easier for me to do it that way. All right, that was exhausting. There's slight cracks. I want to see if I can get these a little bit flusher. Like, these are flush, but this one, I have to make it flush, and then I'll show you what I do to connect these together. I saw this trick on YouTube. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. So someone said to get mounting plates. They're usually like found in the attic, and pretty much I'm gonna put these in the corner so that way they don't shift or anything like that. So let's put these up. So I kept on checking it because at first I felt like a little divot. So I wanted to make sure like it was going all the way in. Yo, this is a workout. Whew. Let's go do the other ones. All right, these are all set up. It's looking really, really good, nice and flush, nice and clean. I'm gonna put the gym back together now, but tomorrow, stay tuned for the next video because it's gonna look completely different from what you guys see before. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe. More videos like this is coming soon because we gonna get it in. Oh yeah, we gonna get it in.